Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. A few folks have been asking me why I haven't been uploading any content and asking me if I'm okay. I am okay, but I owe you an update for the garage and for the channel. Number one, the BMW i8 leaves the garage this morning. I did list the car for sale a few months ago, and the new buyer is going to get the best BMW i8 in the country. I bought it in February of 2019, sold in July of 2021. It was my daily driver to work. I took it on many vacations, and it also went to practically every Cars and Coffee event in my local area. It put a lot of smiles on faces and helped me connect to a car community that I hadn't seen since I sold my C5 Corvette back in 2009. The Acura NSX has been my primary driver for the past few months, and I produced about 6 videos worth of content, but I still haven't edited it yet. And that brings me to the update for the channel. YouTube had become such a huge part of my life for the past year and a half. I spent a ton of time on the i8 forums where people would post questions about how to maintain this car. And I would research it, come to the garage, record it, edit it, upload it, and then reply to comments and questions, and just become so engaged with the car community that I lost track of other important things in my life. You see, the BMW i8 isn't the only thing that left the channel. They say that in every experience is a gift. The gift for me was a wake-up call. YouTube and the engagement with the car community had met my needs for connection and significance. It almost became an addiction. The likes, the comments, the love from the community, the desire for more content, all of it was so attractive and addictive. And I lost focus. I lost balance. And I became so technical and so logical that I lost connection with my heart. So I needed to wake up, and I needed to come back to the remembrance of who I was. By taking a break from YouTube, I was able to spend more time examining me and working on my own growth. I really appreciate all the views that have resulted in this channel being monetized. A couple $100 a month, but it's something. And I appreciate the tips I received by PayPal and Venmo. The amount of money that I saved the i8 owners, they decided to send some my way. And I thank you for that. It means a lot. Producing quality content has taught me how to be a YouTuber that creates value. My videos will be timeless. And not only will I help current i8 owners and enthusiasts, but as long as this car is on the road, these videos will continue to help people learn how to maintain and modify their car. I wish all the BMW i8 owners much success in the future, and I'll still be here to reply to questions and comments. It just may take some time for me to get back to you. But thank you.